Hello everyone. This video is on parts of speech, as you can see, and this is specially for the beginners out there. And as you can see here, parts of speech, these are actually the words that we use in a sentence. Like every day in our life, the sentences that we are using or the sentences that we are forming in order to talk to people, these are all parts of speech. So there are basically 8 parts of speech, and today in this video I'll be explaining 2 out of 8. So those 2 are the first 2 important parts of speech. These are nouns and pronouns. So nouns are basically names of persons, objects, animals, places, or anything else. It can be the name of anything around you. So, for example, like it can be a person's name, your friend's name, your mother's name, or even your pet's name. All of these are nouns. And also in nouns, there are 2 categories. One is countable nouns and another one is non-countable nouns. So countable nouns, it's measured in numbers, and this can be singular or plural. Like we can count how many people are there, or how many birds are there, how many dogs are there. So these are called countable nouns. And another category is non-countable nouns, which means we cannot count them. And some of the examples can be water, gas. Like these are all measured in quantities, and this can only take singular form. So here are some examples to make it easier for you. Like the first example, water is a liquid. So water, this is of course a noun, but what type of noun? It's a non-countable noun. Like obviously it's not possible to count water. So yes, so water is a non-countable noun. Number 2, the dogs ran into the field. So dogs are basically animals. So, and you are able, you can count dogs, the number of dogs. So it's a countable noun. And as you can see, I have written dogs, which is a plural form. People were killed in the war. Again, people, it's a countable noun, and I'm using the plural form here. Then Sam is an excellent boy. So here, Sam is a countable noun. This is a name of a particular person. So obviously it's a noun. So this was all about nouns in short. Let's move on to pronouns. So pronouns, as you can see here, I have written, pronouns are basically used in replace of nouns. Like rather than saying the person's name again and again, we can use such pronouns to represent that particular person or animal or thing that we're talking about. Like we can use he, she, them, her, mine, and a lot more. So here are some examples. Like they went for a walk. So they is a pronoun. She was checking the rooftop. She is the pronoun here. I think I can do better. So here, I is the pronoun. And lastly, everybody knows Ahat. So everybody is the pronoun here. So these were the first 2 parts of speech, nouns and pronouns. And don't forget to watch the later part of the videos where I'll be explaining the rest of the parts of speech with examples. And before leaving, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and stay notified. Goodbye, everyone.